Are you asking the question, should I go LED or should I not go LED? The answer is yeah, you should. You should go LED. The real question is, which LED should I go with and why? And moreover, what are you supposed to be looking for when it comes to LEDs? And the answer is, go American, don't go China, from China, all right? You should never go Chinese, terrible, don't ever do that, stop it. Now, listen, it's 2023 or whatever. Everything kind of, in some way, comes from not the United States, right? Done. But this is about as American as we're gonna get. Well, I found a company, been using them for a while actually. They designed, produced, made, articulated, rendered in the United States. If I read correctly, by veterans. Fantastic. Vintage LED is who I'm talking about. And they actually came out with a really cool new product. Either of these do not require any wiring harness or modifications of any kind. They are straight up plug and play. You guys have seen the videos before. I've done rear lights twice on 2 of my trucks. I've done front marker lights. Now he's come up with some new stuff with the F100s. We have the cargo light in the back and we have the dome light. And he's got it all set up, ready to go for both. Of course, guys, you know me. Got to use some autocrafter parts on it. Ooh, ooh. This one is for another video. Subscribe for more. You're already in there. You might as well just replace some stuff, right? That's what I told my fiance. Good idea. That's what you do. Come on. If you guys want to use some parts, use promo code AKF100World if you're buying it for Ford trucks. Okay, enough talking. Get these installed. Got the old gasket off, old light bulb out. Time for the LED. Oh, kind of cool. It fits in there like that. Wow. So it has these little, whatever you want to call those, bumpers that I guess push back against the glass. That's cool. So the glass cleaned up really nice. This did not. Maybe I should hit up Auto Crafters and see if they have these available. Putting this back together is going to be interesting. Putting the new gasket in. I use the screws to hold on the gasket. I'm not going to go into detail on how to do this. You already know your stuff. Now I would turn this on to make sure it's working before installing, but I don't want to. Here we go. I wonder if I can reach from the cab. No. All right, let's see how bright this is. Alrighty guys, I need your opinion. I need your knowledge. Which way is the right way? On the cargo light, we've got 24 LEDs, I think about like 4,000 K or something worth of LED power, which comes to about 1,000 lumens. It is a bright white light, which is supposed to not hurt the eyes, unlike the blue light that you see in like headlights, for example, that blind you when you're going down the road. Quick side note, I did mention that maybe for some of you guys to make the cargo light a third brake light. Let me know what you guys think about that. It was kind of a big hit on Ford F100 World, the group that we manage, which is what makes all of this possible. Go check them out. On the dome light, we have 9 LEDs, actually more of like a warm light. I think about 250 lumens, which is bright enough for inside your cab. I believe that equals about 2,700 K of LED power. All right. One of those things I got from eBay. Worked all right. This one's pretty straightforward. You just plug it in. You do a light bulb. Let's get our new shiny one here.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Yeah. All right, you ready? Wow. Whoa, don't look straight at it. I can see everything in here. So this is his warm white light. It looks a little more probably what a normal light bulb would be. However, with a ton more power. Wow, look right at it again. A lot more LEDs, a lot more source of light. Man, if you need some light in your cab, there you go. What do you guys think? If you guys want to find out more about the specifics of how he makes LEDs, I'll put a video up above here. Go check him out. What is going on? This is for a different video. What's going on, guys? Have you hit that subscribe button or the follow button yet? Please do so, as it tells the algorithm that you guys like our content, and it makes it happy so that we can continue to promote parts as well as trucks and other classics to the world. We really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye. Subscribe, hit that follow button. Let's get into this.